So this is just a little final video. Like I said, you can see I've resized this here. Why does this matter? Okay, just this is our final video. If we just go back to our assignment, which is what you're working towards, you can see that part of your design work and the evidence that you need to have is this evidence of asset management. What that basically means is that have you sort of curated all your images and your video and your text, and have you kind of done that correctly? Okay, so this bit here, it says use asset management techniques to develop assets that partially meet the requirements. Well, if you haven't sort of resized things, you're only going to be down at this pass. Okay, but if you want a merit or a distinction, okay, you need to sort of curate your images and make sure that they're the correct format. Like I say, logos can be PNG, videos can be MP4, but most of the images should be JPEGs, all the sort of photo images, and they should be the correct size. So if I was handing this in myself, and like I said, distinction there, it says asset managers that completely meet the client's requirements. If I handed this in, and this is my image folder in my videos, okay, I've got images in there, and some of them are JPEGs. Like I said, some of them, if I was using that WEBP file, probably not the right one, but most of them are sort of JPEGs, but they're all kind of, you can see they're random dimensions. Okay, so, you know, if this was me handing it in, if I was doing this assignment, and I go back to here, you know, you'd be at this pass level. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make sure that you can get this merit and distinction by making sure that the images are the correct file types, the correct formats, and they've all been sort of re-engineered so they all fit without having to add in the extra width and height code. So if you can do that, that means that you'll be aiming for these top marks.